doing here? There's old-fashioned soda pop, and they're selling cups there too. They have like commemorative cups. Which way do you want to go? Straight and then cut in? Or? Oh, the bouncy things. It's the same company that was at Trashmore, the park that I went to and filmed this same kind of thing. This is the same fair company right here. Exact same fair company, same food truck, almost the same people.
Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome to the 286th edition of the Great Fredericksburg Agricultural Fair, the oldest fair in America.
Walk around, come on.
Boys and girls, moms and dads, lots of great things going on tonight at Work Agricultural Fair, beginning right on time at 6:30 p.m. It's the Abracadabra Magic Show.
Ooh, 6:30, Abracadabra Magic Show. Look at that slide over there, dude. See that slide right there?
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, did you look it up?
And also starting right on time at 7 p.m. in Hunter Sports Park with the Big Gentleman's Derby underway. Boys and girls, moms and dads, don't miss us.
Let's go down this way. Oh, look at those. So you have to buy tickets to ride. See, this is what I was telling you about. You had to pay to enter, and then you had to buy tickets to ride. And even if you bought a wrist thing, you couldn't ride all the rides with the wristband. They do have some good food, though. If you see anything, let me know. We'll once we get done with this video, we'll stop and get something. Come back. They have jumbo corn dogs. Yikes. There's where the demolition derby is. VIP seating, $5. There's that weird ride. This ride is crazy. This is the exact same company. Huh? No. I can barely walk, sweetie. I don't want to trip and fall. We'll see. These rides are far too expensive, kid. They gouge you to death, man. I mean, it's $28 for a wristband. And that's okay if you want to pay that. I mean, we can go on a couple rides.
Oh yeah, Dad. It looks like he's sitting down on it.
Oh, look at these over here. Oh, you sit in a car. It's 50 tickets to ride.
Let's give it a go. I show you how to get up there. You can
Opposite sides. You move your left arm, right leg.
You have to have like a perfect center of balance. Oh, I love those.
Well, he's practiced.
These are so good. It's just
Oh,
a bunch of weird stuff.
The magic room, yeah.
Can I do it?
It's 44 tickets. Come on this way. We don't have tickets, kid.
Oh yeah, you gotta buy credits.
Yeah, you got to buy a wristband for $28 to go on the rides. Now you can buy tickets, but they're really super expensive. We're almost back around to the front. We'll figure out what we're gonna do. I just want to clip this vid.
Turkey legs.
Oh, they have turkey legs.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, there's a wristbands and credits here.